Hi. Today we are going to refurbish an old tractor trailer. The trailer has completely rotten on the top side. It is from 1958 and this is the first time it's changed. We start with cutting some oak boards to the right length, and now we're going to split them in the middle to get the right height on them. I do this in my WoodMizer Lt15 sawmill. First I cut off about an inch on the top to get the planks straight. After that I turn over the planks and I cut another inch on the other side to get the planks straight and nice. After that I cut the board in the middle. In this case it's about 4 inch high. This is the 2 studs that will make up the undercarriage of the trailer. So the 2 studs for the bottom of the trailer is ready, so now we're just gonna make sure they fit. Den här rutan kan vi göra med en sån. The old studs are completely rotten, so they will be scrapped. We clean the old steel frame a little bit, just so we can drill some holes for the new studs. We try to use the old clamps as much as possible. There is one that is completely finished, but 3 of them was usable. The studs that we bolt on here are 2x4. The old nuts are square nuts from the beginning of the 50s, but they are still working. One of the old clamps was not possible to save, so we will just drill a hole through the bed and the stud and bolted with a piece of wood on the other side. The old studs was 3-inch, this is 4-inch, so we had to cut out some wood to be able to fit the old clamps. So now everything is cut out like it should, so now we can clamp it in the front end and bolt it down in the back end. This should work pretty good. We have drilled 2 holes through the steel bed, so now we will put the screw through the beam and into the piece of wood that we have put inside the steel frame. Now the undercarriage is ready with the 2 beams that we have bolted on, so now we can start putting the top of the bed. Now we will bolt on 4 cross beams that is going to carry the actual bed. This is still all oak. After checking, they will be bolted onto the bed. When everything is bolted down, we can start putting down the bed. The bed is made out of 2-inch aspen wood planks. It works pretty good for this purpose. We screw the planks with about 1/8 of an inch in between, because the planks has dried for several of years, so when working with them outside and they get wet, it's good that they have a little bit room to move on. We put only one screw in the middle of each plank, so they can move without cracking. So in each plank there is 4 screws because of the 4 studs. We screw on a plank that we are using as a ruler for cutting with a circular saw. And then we do the same thing in the front end. This circular saw is not the best one, but it works. When this is ready, I will take the angle grinder and cut off the ball hinge, because I want to use the old tractor hinge that is under that one. The trailer is ready, so we are already starting to use it, the lumber that I've been cutting today.
Är du med, Kralle? Kolla på det. Den mitten är lätt.
Today I'm milling 6x5. This is going to be studs for holding a floor on an old shed. This time I hope I can deliver the wood on this trailer without it breaking on the way. Last time it broke completely. So the trailer is loaded. Time to get it out of here so we can start milling again. If you wonder what is smoking so much in the background, we are doing charcoal, and there is a video of that too. Please subscribe to my channel, it helps me a lot. Thank you.